and everyone! Again, everyone, let's give them a big round of applause, please. Malapakan po natin our baby boy, Noah, and the proud parents. And now, let's welcome our birthday celebrant. Palakpakan po kay Tito Silvano Bani Lacson! Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me, welcoming our little